Hey y'all, it's Deja, aka Sunny D, and this is the first official episode of Foodie Fridays. So today's video is just gonna be a really quick meal prep with me. I didn't really have an holiday meal idea or dish idea, so just gonna be meal prepping with me. I made something in the realm of stir fry, but not really. It was more like me just throwing shit together. I kind of got the idea from Victoria Marlone, so I'm gonna link her video in my description because I just genuinely like watching her videos. Plus, that's where I got the idea for this dish from. On this channel, I make cooking / baking videos, as well as videos about my weight loss / health journey, and more recently I've started doing motivational Mondays, which are more like mental health Mondays probably. So this is going to be a little quick one. I am taking out some cubed steak, some bell peppers that I already cut up, onions, a pan, complete seasoning, some salts, and black pepper. I'm putting on gloves because I just didn't feel like touching raw meat today with my bare hands. So I'm going to season it with black pepper, complete seasoning, and some iodized salt. I got everything ready like before I took everything off. I started off by spreading the pepper on there and like flipping everything on both sides and seasoning everything all together. And yes, I know I'm touching the containers with like the meat hands. I disinfected it after I finished using everything. So I'm just making sure each side is thoroughly covered and has some seasoning on it. There was 2 small ones and 2 very big ones. And as I was doing that, I was heating up my pan. So here I am putting in some olive oil, letting that heat up. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of onions, sweet onions, and I put in 2 cloves of garlic. I just went ahead and peeled them and sliced them right into it because I didn't feel like dirtying up a cutting board for 2 pieces of garlic. Here I am just disinfecting everything with the Lysol wipe. So I let that onion cook for a little bit, and then I went ahead and peeled and sliced up my garlic to put it in there. And after I did that, I just went ahead and put all my bell peppers in there. I used a red bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, and an orange bell pepper. Here I am just putting some black pepper over it. And I believe I put some complete seasoning. Yeah, I put a little bit of complete seasoning over that and then put some more oil so it wouldn't burn. And then I just mix it around so that the seasoning can get on everything. And then I let it cook for a few minutes. I let it cook down for a few minutes. And then I went ahead and put some gloves back on because I was going to start putting the meat in there. I put the 2 small pieces in there first, and I just moved the bell peppers out the way, sat it directly on the pan, and then I put the bell peppers right back on top. And I let the cube steak cook on both sides for about 3 to 5-ish minutes. Here I am just flipping it. I am just taking it out of the pan, putting a little bit more olive oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 in there. While those 2 start cooking, I am just slicing up these 2. They weren't completely well done like I like it, so I went ahead and put it back over the top. And you'll see that I took the bigger ones out way before they were done. And I just want to do that to make sure everything was cooked thoroughly. So I took them out. They were still very much so bloody and pink on the inside. And I just sliced them up like I did the rest of them, or the other two, and put it back in the pan. And once I finished doing that, I mixed it up a little bit more, and I think I let it cook for about 5 more minutes. And then I went ahead and turned the heat off after a few minutes, and I put a plate over the top because I don't have a top for this one. And yeah, I didn't get any B-roll for this, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little meal prep. I didn't really get any B-roll because I was not thinking about it after I finished cooking, so I didn't really get any B-roll of the food after it was finished. But if you've seen episode 1 of Motivational Mondays, I actually am eating this dish. I was eating that little stir fry with some mashed potatoes. Taste wise, it turned out really good. I probably overcooked the meat. Some pieces were very hard to bite into and they were very chewy, but that also could mean that it was just a lot of fat on there. I don't know. There was one piece that was just like so chewy that I just had to spit it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that little bell notification, and make sure you turn on all notifications so you can be up to date with every video that I post. I hope to see you again next week for Motivational Mondays or for Foodie Fridays. So basically the next video is going to be me showing you guys how to make hot cocoa mix with just 3 ingredients. It's very simple. If you're looking forward to that, go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified when that video comes out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Motivational Monday. Like, I caught it on camera, but I ended up cutting it out because Sasuke, honey, please stop. Please. Thank you. Just at least tell him finish with this. Thanks.